Hi, I'm George from Fast Car, and today I'm with David Lloyd and your amazing F8 Ferrari.
That's it.
So David, if you could just talk me through some of the specs on this car, it's quite special, isn't it?
Absolutely. So this is a 2020 F8 Ferrari. We went with a N-Largo kit made by Novitec. It's on Novitec springs. We did a special Gintani exhaust system. He built a special titanium exhaust system.
Yeah.
Tuned the car. Some of the other features on the car is we did Anrky one-off set of wheels on there that really set the car. The car comes with 20 and 21 in, but we went up to a 21 and a 22 inch. The fitment on it I just think is perfect.
Yeah.
And then obviously it's static, so we're on coilovers to get that ride height just perfect. The beauty of Novitec is they only make limited runs of their body kits. So they only make 15 for the F8 Ferrari. So you won't see very many of these around the world at all. So, and it's the only one in Abu Dhabi blue, which makes it really special.
That's what I was going to say. It's just a really stunning colour. You don't often see them in
this color, yeah.
And it really complements the carbon.
Yes, it does. It sets it off nicely.
Is there any tuning work on it? I know you mentioned the exhaust.
Gintani did a great job tuning it. So stock, I think they're making around 720.
Yeah.
We're now rear wheel over 900.
Wow.
Yeah. So it gets up and goes.
Yeah. And on the inside, any little upgrades in there? Or?
Actually, we did a bunch of upgrades. So
okay.
The car was originally spec'd as black with blue stitching, and I decided to change that and flip it. So now the whole interior is a blue with black stitching.
Oh, okay.
You happen to open the door if you want to take a look at it, but the seats are beautiful. Did a little accenting on the door panels and the center console, so beautiful car.
Yeah, no, it is. It's stunning. It's one of my favourites of the show, so
thanks
for letting us have a look at it.
Absolutely.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers.